The new Honda Grazia 125 Sports Special Edition has been launched in India, priced at 82,564 rupees, ex-showroom Gurugram. The Sports Edition will be available in two colors, Pearl Night Star Black and Sports Red. The new colors and sporty graphics are intended to make the 125cc offering more attractive for young customers. There are no mechanical changes though, and the scooter continues to come with the same 124cc 4-stroke air-cooled engine with fuel injection that develops 8.14 brake horsepower and 10.3 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired with a CVT unit. The Honda Grazia received a new design language with the BS6 model, and the Sports Edition will be sold alongside the standard model across Honda dealerships pan-India. After receiving an overwhelming response in 2020, Volkswagen will not only be bringing the T-Roc SUV once again to India in 2021, it has already sold out the second batch of models as well. The second batch of the Volkswagen T-Roc is scheduled to arrive in the second quarter of the year along with the Tiguan Allspace. Confirming the details to Car and Bike, Ashish Gupta, brand head Volkswagen India, said that the company received over 2,000 bookings for the T-Roc in 2020, out of which the automaker was able to deliver only 950 units. Customers still waiting for the car will be given preference when the second batch arrives. T-Roc compact SUV manages to impress with its compact proportions, superior build quality and a fun and responsive 1.5-litre turbocharged engine. The Volkswagen T-Roc comes to India as a CBU or completely built unit as part of the 2,500 units that Volkswagen can import every year without the need for homologation. Bajaj Auto has silently updated prices on the Dominar range for the 2021 model year. The Bajaj Dominar 400 is now priced at 1,99,755 rupees, which makes the flagship Bajaj motorcycle more expensive by 1,997 rupees. The Bajaj Dominar 250 on the other hand is now more expensive by 2,000 rupees and retails at 1,67,718 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The price hikes do not come with any changes and the bikes continue to use the same mechanicals as before. The price increments though have arrived fairly quickly since the last hike for the Dominar range was in October 2020. Both bikes have been designed as highway tourers and are interesting alternatives to the modern classic and sports motorcycle options available in the segment. With the price hike, there are no mechanical changes to the motorcycles.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.